Magandang umaga sa lahat, lalong-lalo na sa mga teachers na nag-prepare para sa upcoming na NASH or the National Assessment for Schoolhead. I hope everybody's doing well and keeping up with your preparation. Ngayon, I want to share something that I think will be very helpful para sa upcoming na NASH exam. Kasi while I was browsing online, I found this reviewer that covers a lot of topics that probably including sa NASH. So, this reviewer, I guess it's designed para mag-practice lahat ng mga guro na mag-take ng NASH, at saka as well as to check your understanding. Kasi yung coverage po ng NASH is yung PPSH, yung Philippine Professional Standards for School Heads. So I want to emphasize that it's not only a material that you should rely on. Kasi you can, of course, you can also read other materials that you want, but it can serve as a guide to identify which areas you need to focus on. I encourage each of you to go through the questions carefully. Probably also that there are some answers that are not. You may disagree. You can just search. Help the use of AI to check on the correct answer. So I'm encouraging you to try to answer them on your own first before checking the answers. Take your time and don't rush. Just use this reviewer as an opportunity to reinforce what you already know and to discover what you still need to review. So I will provide the link in the description section here so you can access it anytime. So remember that in any test or in any exam, consistent practice and reflection are key to doing well. So if you have any questions or come across something unclear while going through the reviewer, feel free to ask. Okay, so let us use this resource wisely and make it part of the preparation. So good luck and keep doing your best. Hopefully, lahat makapasa because everybody is desiring it. Okay? So, good luck sa lahat na mag-take ng NASH. At saka, just check there sa description section para sa link. Anyway, uh, it's no, you can just have to request for access, then it will be granted. Have a nice day, everyone.